Hi everyone, my name is Mike Fabiano and I'm founder and CEO of 4 Active Body Supplements, otherwise known as FABs. Yeah, I turned our family nickname into a company name, but listen, thank you very much for tuning in. This is our first ever YouTube video. We're here on YouTube using this platform to hopefully introduce ourselves, and who knows, maybe if this video goes well enough and people seem to enjoy it, we'll do some more stuff in the future. But for now, thank you for tuning in. If you're the type of person that likes to work out and you train regularly and keep yourself in shape, active, healthy, and fit, well, you are an active body, and we are 4 Active Body Supplements. So welcome to the FABs family. But with that said, I'd like to kind of dive in with this video, try to keep it as short as possible. I mean, here we are in beautiful, partly cloudy South Florida here, but I don't know how much longer we're going to have decent weather till it starts pouring, so maybe I can get this done quickly, right? Diving in, yeah, 4 Active Body Supplements. The key word I want to focus on just for the moment is supplements. I'm a huge advocate for supplements. Obviously, I started a supplement company. I know people that have said to me over the years, you know, they feel like they can get as much nutrition as they need from food. And hey, good for you, good for them. But I'm a big advocate, proponent of supplements. I don't advocate that you have to take supplements, but I'm a big proponent, advocate for supplements. Again, obviously, I started a supplement company. But I do say that for anyone that's interested in using supplements, there should be 2 factors that they should have already in place before they engage or try supplements. And that is working out and diet. So yeah, you should be working out or exercising regularly, consistently. You know, none of this like work out for 2 or 3 weeks and then take the next 6 months off type of thing. But if you're working out consistently and according to your goals, and you're eating properly. I mean, you know, obviously eating healthy is very, very important no matter what, regardless how many cheat days or cheat meals we get in the week. But for the most part, you're eating healthy and also according to your goals. But we need those 2 factors in place before we supplement. And why? Because supplements are just that. They assist. They don't take the place of. They assist our training and our diet with whatever our goals are. So we're not looking for a crutch. We're not looking for something to lean on or give us the quick fix. We're looking to something to maybe help us achieve our main goals, in which those 2 main goals, when you're talking about general fitness and bodybuilding, unless you're performance based in what you're doing, the 2 main goals that we found are building muscle and burning fat. And with building muscle, we definitely don't want to burn muscle either. So preserving muscle, recovery, building muscle, that's 1, and 2, burning fat. So those 2 main goals seem to be what most people are after. That's general fitness. We're looking for aesthetics, shaping our body, and so forth. Now with building muscle, I will say this, because there's some people like, I don't want to get big and bulky. All right, look, obviously that's not your goal. That's great, but you still need to build. Even if you want to tone, you're not looking at big and bulky, but you still need to build. So with that being said, those 2 main goals are very important, and supplements can help you do that when you have the 2 main factors in place already. Again, that's consistent training and also a good, healthy, clean diet, however you want to define that. Again, it's all predicated on your goals. So with me starting a supplement company, I wanted to bring some products that I felt would benefit you, hopefully, like they do me. And so I looked at a need of my own, and I looked at categories of supplements within the supplement industry. And going back to my own way of training, and what I've been doing since my very first bodybuilding show when I was 17 years old. The guys that helped prepare me for the show said, Mike, you're going to train twice a day for this contest. You're going to do your cardio on an empty stomach in the morning and come back later in the day and do hit a body part. All right, so let's focus on the cardio on an empty stomach in the morning. So that's really what I want to get to. So yeah, I would do my cardio on an empty stomach, getting ready for that show. And I don't train twice a day now because I just don't have the time or the energy. It's a lot of discipline, self-control, you bodybuilders out there, so congrats. But I don't have that kind of time or energy or discipline right now. I have other things I need to focus on, raising a family, running a business, all that kind of great stuff. So, but I still train on an empty stomach to this day. I do 85-90% of my workouts first thing in the morning, and that was thunder. Yes, here we come. Hopefully we'll finish this video up here real quick. Do 85-90% of my workouts first thing in the morning, and I do it on an empty stomach. Having anything in my stomach, I've learned, me personally, bothers me when I exercise. Even if it's protein powder or light fruit or something like that, it agitates, and I get, you know, reflux and heartburn. And especially if on my longer cardio days when I'm not lifting weights, I'll do like a longer run, like 5-6 miles, which is long for me. But if I have anything in my stomach, it really comes up, cramps, the whole 9 yards. So training on an empty stomach has always benefited me the most. I feel the best that way. All right, so again, training cardio especially, because the first thing I do when I go to the gym is cardio. I'll do a half hour, 40 minutes of cardio, and then I go into my weights. And I know all you guys out there go, well, you're gonna lose strength. I don't care. I feel better doing my cardio first. I'm warmed up, it's out of the way, and if I train weights first, I won't do my cardio. So like I said, I'm warmed up and it's out of the way, it's done. And I don't really care what the guys think, how much I bench or I really am not trying to impress anyone in the gym. For me, it's all about getting a workout done quickly and efficiently, and so I feel healthy and fit, and I meet my aesthetic goals as well, because I am trying to, keep my body fat as low as possible while still sneaking in some brownies once in a while. Anyway, I digress. So again, going back to the way I train and how that translates into the supplements that we develop. So here I am. For years and years and years, I train on an empty stomach, do my cardio first. I do a lot of cardio on my workout. During my lifts, I only rest about a minute in between sets, so I'm very fast paced, and I know a lot of people that train that way as well. So with that being said, I wanted to develop a product that would help build muscle or preserve muscle in my workout, also give energy, provide the benefits that we're looking for, burn fat. So build, preserve muscle. Definitely we don't want to burn muscle, right? No, it's gold. We want to keep our muscle. So build or preserve muscle, help with recovery, and burn fat. So the two main goals. So a lot of the products on the market, I didn't feel they were comprehensive enough, at least what I was looking for. It's kind of like you'd almost need 2, 3, or 4 different products to achieve the goals I was looking for. So here I am training on an empty stomach, want to stay on an empty stomach, looking to achieve these goals. So I thought, and then I came out with our first product, and that first product is called Fasted Cardio. Yeah, I named the product Fasted Cardio because training on an empty stomach is what everyone calls nowadays fasted cardio. Back when I was training for a bodybuilding show, and my guys helping me out said train on, we didn't call it fasted cardio back then. I don't know what the origin is for the name or term fasted cardio. If anyone out there knows, please comment for me, because I'd love to know. What, 8, 10 years ago it became popular? But so I came out with a product called Fasted Cardio for that reason. For all the people like me that train on an empty stomach, do more cardio-based workouts, didn't know what, and that is thunder. It's coming in. I got to make this quick, get to finish this up. Anyway, that don't know what to take, well, now you do. You have a product named specifically for fasted cardio, but more than just for fasted cardio, it's for any type of cardio-based workout. And what do I mean by that? So any exercise that you do, any workout that elevates and sustains that high heart rate, elevated, sustained heart rate, cardio-based workout. Well, what could that be? Well, circuit training, spin class, Zumba, I don't know, high intensity interval training, otherwise known as HIIT. How about functional training, field training, CrossFit? A lot of CrossFitters, you ask them, you say, what do you do for cardio? They'll be like, CrossFit's my cardio. Yeah, you know what? Elevated high heart rate sustained over a period of time. There you go. So if you're that type of person and you're looking for the benefits to help you build or preserve muscle and burn fat and give you the performance in your workout, well, here you go, fasted cardio. Now we have 2 formulas. One is the capsule and one is the powder. I've been waving the powder in your face here. Let's talk about the capsule real quick. So fasted cardio in particular, there is a group of people out there that are doing ketogenic diets or intermittent fasting. So they're afraid to break their fast. They don't want to break ketosis. So we developed the capsule for 2 reasons. One, for the fasted cardio purist, and also people that like the convenience of a pill. So this is more of a true fat burner. The focus of this product is really to help increase thermogenesis or fat burning, provide energy, also exceptional focus, laser sharp focus. You want to feel good though when you're on the product and also after, so no jitters and no crash. So if you're looking for a really, really good pre-fasted cardio, pre-cardio based workout capsulated formula, you don't want to break your fast, you don't want to break your ketosis, please look at the fasted cardio capsules. Then you have the fasted cardio pre-workout formula. Now this is different than most pre-workouts. Actually, both formulas are different than most or a lot of pre-workouts, where we didn't overstimulate the formula. We've created an energy profile that's what I call effective energy. It gives you clean, steady energy, and by clean, no jitters, no anxiety, right? The last thing you want when you're working out is to feel the heart palpitations and the blood pressure and the nauseated stomach. No, you don't want the jitters or the anxiety. You want to feel good during your workout, and you want to feel good after. Yeah, how hard is that? So the people out there that have taken high stimulant fat burners and pre-workouts, you know what I'm talking about. I've talked to so many of you people that are like, that's just too much for me. I need something that just makes me feel good, gives me the motivation to get me through my workout pretty hard, pretty solid, and then I feel good to come back the next day, or feel good after the workout and then come back the next day. Well, here you go. 2 formulas. Now for you high stim people, and you know who you are, a single serving of each of these probably isn't enough for you, but 1 capsule is a serving with the capsulated formula. If you take 2 capsules, which is the max, that'll probably do you right. Here, 1 scoop is the single serving on the powder. 2 scoops, which is the max per serving, might do you right. All right, that's for you high stim people. But for you high stim people, here's a little Easter egg. Stay tuned, we got something coming for you guys. But for all the regular people out there that like lower stimulated products, here you go. No overstimulation in either of these formulas. Now, the powder formula is more comprehensive. This is what I call more of the performance formula. This really does incorporate a lot of benefit. You know, it says right here on the back all the benefits, and if you look, you got muscle preservation and recovery, energy, stamina, focus. You got electrolyte rehydration complex, so you're gonna hydrate yourself here, and then you got antioxidants. So if you're looking for a very comprehensive pre-training, something you take before you work out, it's going to give you the energy, controlled, steady, no anxiety, no jitters, no crash energy. Here you go. You want recovery, muscle recovery, help preserve your muscle tissue, not burn your muscle tissue, because this has all 9 essential amino acids, which includes the branch chain amino acids, right? Here you go. This has electrolytes, this has antioxidants, it has B vitamins, and a lot more. You can go to our website, fabsupplements.com, and see all this, and the fully disclosed label with the ingredients. I know it's blurry, you can't see it here when I push it in your face. We fully disclose all the ingredients on the label so you can see, and all that's available on the website. So for you folks out there doing cardio-based exercise, fasted cardio in particular, you don't know what you're looking for, you don't know what to find in terms of a supplement, you're already training consistently, you're eating well, you want something to help you build muscle or preserve your muscle and burn fat, well, here you go. 2 direct answers to your question: fasted cardio capsulated formula and fasted cardio pre-training formula with essential amino acids. So there you go, folks. Look, for more information, you can write me, info@fabsupplements.com. Once again, email me directly, info@fabsupplements.com, or go to our website, fabsupplements.com, and you can look up the labels you can see there, or follow us on Instagram @fabsupplements. So either way, there's a great source of information on any of those platforms. Hey, look, we appreciate you tuning in. We hope you'll come back and see us again. Keep following us. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button there, please, and give us a like. We appreciate. We've only been in business 3 months. We appreciate all the love and support we can get. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Have a good day.